This is a 15.6-inch portable monitor and is designed to give you a second screen anywhere you travel or work. I'll unbox it, show what's included, and demonstrate how it works with different devices. So let's check out what we have in this box. There we have it. It comes in a pretty cool package. So that's the quick start guide right here. Let's open this slowly. And here we are. This is how the screen looks. As you can see right here, it's slim. And there we are. And then we have on this side a button, which is a power button. Then we have brightness and volume here. So looks like it has some speakers as well, which is really great. Then we have a jack for headphones right here. And on the other side we have three connections. We have the HDMI, we have two USB-C connections as well. And then on the back here we have the stand, and we can take this screen protector off. Here we are. I also want to mention that this is really light. It doesn't feel heavy as well, so it's pretty easy to take with you. Now let's check out what else we have with it. So we have this cable, which is mini HDMI for the monitor to a regular HDMI here. Then USB-C to USB-A connector, and we also have a USB-C to USB-C cable, which would usually be the main connection that you want to get, USB-C to USB-C. And as you can see, this cable is bigger, thicker, which means that it should be a good cable to connect your devices with. So if your laptop or phone has a full function USB-C port that supports video output, you can connect it via USB-C cable only, which will power the screen and send the signal as well. So I will try this with my S22 Ultra and let's see how it goes. So we'll just plug this USB-C in, and then let's check out which USB-C should we use on this side. As you can see here, you have Type C1 and Type C2. On this one you can see a power plug, so this means you can power the display as well. So I'll plug it in the one right here, which is the one down, and perfect, easy. That was so easy. How to open the touchpad on your phone. Okay, that's crazy. I mean, look at this. It's just like I just plugged the cable in and it's just turned on. It's amazing, right? And how you would use this is you need to connect mouse and a keyboard with the phone as well. But as you can see, it's like a separate desktop, basically, because I can use the phone here and then nothing happens on the second display. But if you connect a keyboard and a mouse, you have a computer and the phone at the same time, which is really great. And there we are. I have connected my mouse as well with the phone, and as maybe you can probably see on the, not sure if you can see here. So there we are, you can see the mouse now. We have the keyboard here as well. I've activated this so we can use the phone as a trackpad as well if you want. There we are. And as you can see, there's nothing else connected to it, it's just the phone. And now I'll connect it to my Mac Mini right there using the same USB-C, and then we'll connect it with the HDMI. And of course we need a port that will support sending video through it. So I think I must use the back, which I have a USB-C connected right here. Let's try this one. And there we are. So you need to connect it to a USB-C in the back, and then as you can see, now I can access everything from this. And just to show it to you better right here. It's really clear, it's full HD, but it looks really good, and you have really good viewing angles, as you can see right here. And it has a matte coating, so it doesn't shine, which is great. So it's less shiny than my monitor, and it's pretty bright for this portable monitor. It's really good. Also, let's see if we can go higher with the brightness. Here we are, brightness. So we can make it pretty bright, as you can see. This is 100%. Let's readjust here. And looks like it's brighter than my monitor, actually. So that was its lowest brightness. And as you can see now, it's pretty bright. I'll set it back to default, which has lowest brightness. So we use less battery, less power or battery if you connect it on a laptop or a portable. And here is the second method of connection. And as you can see here, I've connected the mini HDMI cable, but since I did not connect the power, it does not work. So if you connect it via HDMI, it doesn't get any power. So you need to connect the USB-C to A as well. And there we are. We are connected to the PS5, and we also have sound because this has speakers as well. As you can see, it gets you the display and everything set up. We are playing on our PS5. So as you can see, this method works really well with laptops, desktops, and the gaming consoles, especially if your console or your laptop or PC can't handle power and video at the same time through the USB-C. So, like I showed you before, this has an adjustable kickstand here on the back, so you can easily change its, you can easily adjust it for better viewing angle for you, depending on how you're standing, how you want to use it. There we are, adjusting it, and all the way just like that. And this also supports VESA mounting, which means you can attach it to an external arm or a stand, and all parts of the mount can be adjusted and rotating, letting you position the screen exactly how you want. Because it's slim and lightweight, this monitor is great for working from home, coffee shops, hotels, or client offices. You can use it as a second screen for emails, spreadsheets, coding, or presentations, or even gaming, as you can see right here. As you see, it works with the PlayStation. It does work with Xbox as well, with Switch and other consoles that use HDMI. It's a great option for gaming on the go, especially when you want like a bigger screen without carrying a TV. And also on the phone, as you saw, you can connect the phone and you can play games on a bigger screen, which is really great. It's compatible with Windows PCs, Macs, phones, and gaming consoles, as I showed you. And just remember, if you're using USB-C only, your device must support video output over USB-C.